This presentation is consisting of two parts 1 and 2. This is part 1, and for part 2 follow the link. Bilayer tablet manufacturing in the pharmaceutical industry. Part 2 of 2. Greetings from Everyday GMP. I am your presenter from Everyday GMP. Everyday GMP is a training and solutions provider, aimed to provide solutions to your problems and enrich the soft and technical skills of professional individuals and organizations to meet all criteria required in the life science industry, pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, cosmeceuticals, and related academia. Today we will discuss bilayer tablet manufacturing in pharmaceutical industry. Before we start, please subscribe to get more informative videos. This is part 2 of 2. So, let's start. So we will discuss it today. In part 1 we discussed introduction bilayer tablets use, advantages. In part 2 of 2 we will discuss. This is part 2. For part 1 follow the link. Overview of the manufacturing process for bilayer tablets. The first layer of a bilayer tablet. The second layer of a bilayer tablet. Overview of the equipment used in the manufacturing process for the bilayer tablets. Quality control measures for bilayer tablet manufacturing. The last. Conclusion. Introduction. Bilayer tablets, sometimes called double-layer tablets, are a newer technology for the development of controlled release formulation. They have a combination of 2 or more active pharmaceutical ingredients in a single dosage form. Overview of the manufacturing process of bilayer tablet. Bilayer tablets are pharmaceutical tablets that contain 2 layers of different active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, or different release rates of the same API. The manufacturing process of bilayer tablets involves several steps, including raw material selection, formulation development, tablet compression. Continuing overview of the manufacturing process. Let's start. First step, it is raw material selection. The selection of raw materials for bilayer tablet manufacturing is critical to ensuring the quality, efficacy, and safety of the final product. The raw materials include APIs, excipients, binders, lubricants, and disintegrants. The raw materials should be of high quality and meet pharmacopoeial standards. The API and excipients should be compatible with each other to ensure the stability of the final product. Continuing towards the second step of the overview of the manufacturing process is formulation development. The formulation development for bilayer tablets involves the selection of suitable excipients and API, the determination of their optimal concentrations, and the identification of the appropriate process parameters. Formulation development is crucial to ensure the optimal balance of the 2 layers, and the proper release profile of each API. Continuing overview of the manufacturing process's third and most important step is tablet compression. The tablet compression process for bilayer tablets involves the use of a specialized tablet press that can compress 2 layers of different formulations at the same time. The process involves filling the first layer with the required amount of the first formulation and compressing it. The second layer is then added, and the second formulation is added on top of the first layer. The tablet press compresses both layers simultaneously, and the final bilayer tablet is ejected. In details, we will discuss an overview of the equipment used in the manufacturing process for bilayer tablets. Generally, the equipment used in the manufacturing process for bilayer tablets includes a specialized bilayer tablet press, coating machines for applying a coating, blending equipment for mixing the API and excipients, milling equipment for particle size reduction, packaging equipment for packaging the final product. The selection of equipment depends on the specific requirements of the formulation and packaging. First is the milling equipment. Milling equipment is used to reduce the particle size of the raw materials, such as the API and excipients, to achieve the required particle size distribution. The milling equipment can be a hammer mill, jet mill, or ball mill, depending on the specific requirements of the formulation. Another machine is for blending purpose. Blending equipment. Blending equipment is used in the manufacture of bilayer tablets to mix the API and excipients to form a homogeneous blend. The blending equipment can be a ribbon blender, V-blender, or cone blender, depending on the specific requirements of the formulation. Important machine is tablet press or compression machine. Bilayer tablet press. The bilayer tablet press is the primary equipment used for the manufacture of bilayer tablets. It is a specialized tablet press that can compress 2 different layers of formulations into a single bilayer tablet. The press has two sets of punches and dies, and the two layers are compressed simultaneously to form a single tablet. Another critical machine for coating, but some bilayer tablets are remaining core also. This is a requirement where required. Coating machines. Coating machines are used in the manufacture of bilayer tablets to apply a coating to the tablet. The coating can improve the appearance, stability, and taste of the tablet, as well as protect it from moisture, light, and air. There are different types of coating machines, including pan coaters, fluidized bed coaters, and spray coaters. In the last, as for all tablets, it is a packaging equipment. Packaging equipment is used to package the bilayer tablets into the final packaging, such as blister packs, bottles, or sachets. The packaging equipment can be a blister packing machine, bottle filling machine, or sachet filling machine, depending on the specific requirements of the packaging. Now we will discuss some quality control measures for bilayer tablet manufacturing, like IPC, finished goods testing, regulatory requirements, and some other measures. So, let's start with IPC. In-process testing. In-process testing is performed during the manufacturing process to monitor and control the quality of the bilayer tablets. This testing includes checks on the weight, hardness, thickness, and disintegration time of the tablets. Final product testing. Final product testing is performed on finished bilayer tablets to ensure that they meet the required specifications for identity, strength, purity, and quality. These tests include dissolution testing, which measures the rate at which the tablet disintegrates and releases the active ingredients. Regulatory requirements. Bilayer tablet manufacturing is subject to various regulatory requirements, including Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, and regulations specific to the country or region where the tablets will be sold. These regulations ensure that the manufacturing process is consistent, controlled, and documented, and that the final product meets the required quality standards. Some additional quality control measures for bilayer tablet manufacturing include raw material testing. Testing of the raw materials used in the manufacturing process to ensure their identity, purity, and quality. Cleaning validation. Validation of the cleaning process used to clean the manufacturing equipment to prevent contamination of the bilayer tablets. Stability testing. Testing of the bilayer tablets to ensure that they remain stable and retain their quality and efficacy over time. Batch record review. Review of the batch records to ensure that all manufacturing and testing procedures were followed correctly. In the last, we conclude that the manufacturing process for bilayer tablets involves careful raw material selection, formulation development to achieve the required release profile, and specialized tablet compression equipment to compress both layers into a single bilayer tablet. The process requires careful attention to quality control and assurance to ensure the final product meets the required specifications. Part 2 completed. For Part 1, follow the link. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=QR_deepsecure. The full training course is available on demand for on-site, online, and hybrid forms. We offer a variety of training packages in a range of subject areas and can offer blended learning opportunities to best meet your needs. If you would like a consultation to see how we can assist you with issues in your organization, please contact us. Please subscribe to the channel to get more videos. Contact +9 2311 125 38445. Email info@everydaygmp.com. Website www.everydaygmp.com.